Hello friends, I am Dr. Prakash Bonsode, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Sangola College, Sangola. Today in this video we are going to take information about corona vaccine trials status. Friends, today the whole world is fighting against the disease COVID-19 which is caused by novel coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2. More than 300 million people have affected worldwide. More than 2 lakh people have died due to this disease, and more than 210 countries have been affected. Lockdown is not a permanent solution. Due to lockdown, we are able to control mortality rate, but the economy crisis is there. Still, the vaccine is under the development process. It is under the trials. Scientists are working for the compassionate drugs or repurposed drugs, antibodies, blood plasma therapy, and some curative or preventive measures like blood plasma therapy. First thing, let us understand what is vaccine. Vaccine is not any chemical drug or chemical substance. Many times it is the part of that particular virus is used to prepare particular vaccine or specific vaccines against the viral infectious disease. There are different types of vaccines. For example, the Oxford University, which is developing the COVID-19 vaccine, is using spike protein present on the surface of the coronavirus. That is called subunit vaccine. That is the part of the virus is used. There are some live attenuated vaccines in which the whole virus is used. It is inactivated using pH changes or soaps or detergents. There are different methods to inactivate the virus. There are some nucleic acid vaccines in which RNA or DNA of particular virus is used. Some are killed vaccines in which inactivated whole virus is used. There are various phases of the clinical trials or testing of this vaccine. It requires total 10 to 15 years for a development of a vaccine. But nowadays, as there is short time limit and mortality, considering the mortality rates of the COVID-19, the scientists are working to minimize this time span, and they are going to develop vaccine within 1 to 1.5 years. Now see, there are different phases in which the first phase is preclinical development. In preclinical development, the testing starts with the in vitro testing, in which the human cells are taken outside the body and the culture is prepared. The particular vaccine is tested on live cells. If the vaccine is found efficient, then it is proceeded for the in vivo testing. In vivo testing, to evaluate safety and efficacy of the vaccine, it is tested on various animals like chimpanzee, guinea pigs, then rabbits or lab rats. This process takes identifying antigen, then in vitro testing, in vivo testing. It takes 1 to 10 years with clinical phase 1 trial. If the vaccine is found efficient and safe in preclinical development, it is tested for the phase 1 trials. In phase 1 trials, the healthy group of healthy peoples, 30 to 40 people is taken, and these are called volunteers. These volunteers are given identity numbers, and these studies are conducted at CROs, that is clinical research organizations. They include doctors, nurses, pharmacists, and various technical support. Now, here, if the vaccine is found safe and efficient in phase 1, for expanded safety, it is tested for the phase 2 trials in which more than 300 to 400 volunteers are taken. Then, for the phase 3 trial, the individual number is more than 1000 to 2000. With all these trials, if the phase 3 trials the vaccine is found safe and efficient, then it is some documents are filed to the government agencies who are going to give approval to this vaccine, and then it is marketed. How corona vaccine will work? When this vaccine will be injected in human body, it will reach to the human cells. When it reach to the human cells, it will find some antigen presenting cells. For example, these cells for a particular SARS novel coronavirus 2, the receptor for binding is ACE2, that is angiotensin converting enzyme 2, which is present in plenty of number or in abundant number in human lungs. So the virus will reach there, it will bind the antigen presenting cells. Now these APCs or antigen presenting cells will activate the lymphocytes, which include T cells and B cells. Again, T cells are of two types, they are the helper cells and killer cells. So helper cells will activate the plasma B cells. Plasma B cells, on activation, they will synthesize the particular antibodies against the coronavirus. These antibodies will bind the antigen, that is the spike protein of the coronavirus. At the same time, the cells which are infected by the virus will be killed by killer T cells. This is how this corona vaccine will work. Now, in different countries of the world, different trials are going on. For example, in Seattle city of the America, one of the trial is going on. In Oxford city, in Oxford University of the Oxford city, the trials are going on. Then there is collaboration of the Sanofi and GSK's GlaxoSmithKline for invention of the vaccine. In India, different projects are going on. Serum Institute of India from Pune has collaborated with Codagenics, which is a company from USA. Again, there is a one more collaboration of Bharat Biotech from Hyderabad, India, with University of Wisconsin Madison, USA, and Flugen, which is a pharma company from USA. What are the challenges? First thing, this vaccine should be safe to the human being, which is tested in different trials. It should be efficient, it should be able to develop different antibodies against this virus. There should be a good response of the human system against this virus. All the government agencies or approval agencies should give approval to this vaccine. There should be bulk manufacturing, as the whole world is requiring this vaccine. There should be bulk manufacturing in short time. Supply chain should be strong. Then there are some mutations or genetic changes caused in virus. If this is a mutated virus, and if it keeps on mutating, then this whole projects can fall. So these are some challenges against these different projects. So these are the different sources of information that I have used. So we can hope that scientists will develop this vaccine and all the things will go right, and we will get this vaccine, and we will be able to save lives in this world. Thank you very much.